Alright, hi y'all. Today we're going to be going over this discrete math problem. And, I'm going to try to be doing one problem per day and maybe two, but it's going to be more of one FE problem and then one problem I'm going to be doing, for my classes here. So this problem asks, among all those who took an exam, set A represents, so A represents 60 to 70%. 60% to 70%. Okay? Then B, it says, represents 65% to 85%. And set C represents 80% to 90%. Which of the following expressions represents the set of everyone who scored 80 to 85%? Okay, so we have to figure out, going from a large range here on A, B, and C, and confine it down to 80 to 85%. So let's see here. The first thing I would do is I would try and get it's looking like we have to do some sort of combination of all three. So the or should, in my opinion, the or should make the set larger. It should not, of course, the or is going to make the set larger. But we want it to include 85%. So we have to OR something with B for sure. Okay, or something with B and C maybe? If we OR this, then we're going to get 65% to 90%. But then that only leaves an AND to A. And if we ANDed A and A, what do we get? We get everything from 65% to 70%. Well, that's not right. So it can't be this. It cannot be B or C and A. Well, what if we do, what if we do A or B? If we do A or B, this includes 60% to 85%. And then if we AND C, what does that do? It confines the space. Let's see, what do they share? They share 80%. So they go from 80% and they overlap up until 85%. But they do not share 90% or anything greater than 86. If this makes more sense to make a Venn diagram, please do so. What is this? A or B is over here, which is 60 to 80 through 85. And then C, this is going to be 60 to 79, right? Percent. And then A or B shares in common with C because C is from 80 to 90%. It shares this 80 to 85 range. So that's what we're going to end up having at the end. They share 80 to 85%. So the answer will be A or B and C. Hopefully this made sense. That wasn't an amazing explanation, but hopefully you can see where they overlap. The two sets, A or B, overlaps with C in 80 to 85%. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Send a message. But yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.